I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting both Samsung devices ready and close. Once done, swipe down twice to reveal Quick Panel and tap Media or Media and Devices to access audio controls. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on each device and their screens stay unlocked so pairing can proceed. You're doing this because Audio Share uses a quick local connection, keeping radios on and devices nearby speeds discovery and prevents timeouts. Now tap the active media card to expand audio output options and move to the next step. Expand the media card and choose Audio Share or the nearby audio output option to continue. Next, tap Add Device or Invite and select the other Samsung from the device list you see. This initiates the local audio link. On the receiving phone, accept the incoming share prompt quickly so audio streaming can start. You do this to create a synchronized session where both devices output the same audio. Make sure each device shows the connected status before playing full volume audio to verify sync. With both devices connected, choose which outputs to use, speakers, Galaxy Buds, or any paired Bluetooth, directly from the expanded media card. Once finished, stop sharing by tapping the connected device entry and selecting Remove or Stop Sharing to end the session cleanly. If you encounter lag or dropouts, try toggling Bluetooth or Wi-Fi off and on, resend the invite, or restart the playing app. This resets the streams and usually clears sync issues, so you can resume sharing without a full reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.